Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy, refreshing summer cooler. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a small bowl, I'm adding in 1/3 teaspoon basil seeds, also known as sabja seeds. I'm adding in some water. Give it a stir and allow the basil seeds to swell up. It should take about 5 minutes. Basil seeds and chia seeds are not the same. I have already done a detailed video on the difference between chia seeds and basil seeds. Links will be updated below this video. Please do check it out. Basil seeds or sabja seeds has cooling properties. Hence it's ideal to use them in the summers. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in 1 cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon kala namak, also known as black salt, a small piece of ginger which I'm roughly chopping and adding in, 2 slices of pineapple. I'm roughly slicing the pineapple and adding it in. Juice of half a lemon, 1 tablespoon raw sugar or as needed. And I'm going to blend this really well. Strain the pineapple lemonade. I'm using some garden fresh mint leaves. Roughly tear the mint leaves with your hand so that the flavors are released, and then add it into the serving glass. Add in a couple of ice cubes. The sabja seeds are now nicely soaked. Add the sabja seeds into the serving glass. Pour the pineapple lemonade into the serving glass. Garnish it with fresh mint leaves. And my refreshing pineapple lemonade is ready to serve. So guys, do try this summer cooler and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.